Imagine, just for a moment, that you had a time machine. This isn't just any ordinary daydream where you picture yourself racing through history like some kind of history-bending superhero. Instead, let's step into the shoes of a curious time traveler on a quest to understand the mysteries that twist and turn when we talk about time travel paradoxes. Picture this. You're holding a steaming cup of hot chocolate, the kind that warms your hands on a cold winter's day. As you sip, you glance around your cozy living room, where the air smells like cinnamon and the crackling fire casts a soft glow against the walls. Now, instead of the usual humdrum, imagine there's a time machine nestled in the corner. That's right, your very own portal to any time, any place. Let's think about the grandfather paradox, a classic staple in the time travel conversation. It's a bit like trying to unravel the stitches of a favorite old sweater. The story goes like this. Imagine you travel back in time to meet your grandfather before he met your grandmother. For some reason, you prevent their meeting, maybe by clumsily spilling coffee on him at a crucial moment, something seemingly minor yet monumental. Now here's the kicker. If they never met, you wouldn't be here to spill that coffee in the first place. It's a mind-boggling circle, a loop that never quite completes itself. To truly grasp this, let's think of it as a song that always ends right before the last note. Every time you try to finish it, you find yourself back at the beginning. It's a dance without an ending, echoing an unfulfilled rhythm in the depths of time. The paradox makes us ponder our very existence. What if the choices we make ripple through time, creating echoes of possibilities? Then there's the bootstrap paradox, another curious conundrum. Imagine you're listening to an old, mysterious vinyl record, the kind with a scratchy, rich sound that fills the room. While playing it, you realize the artist never actually recorded it. Now you decide to travel back in time and hand your own copy to the artist, thus creating the music that inspired you in the first place. Who, then, is the true creator of the song? Where did the idea truly originate? It's like trying to trace the pattern of smoke from a candle in the wind. It swirls and dances, but never quite leads you to the source. These paradoxes tug at the threads of what we know about life's timeline. They ask questions about identity and the very fabric of reality. Who are we if the past isn't as fixed as we think? The fact that these paradoxes exist at all leads us to deeper reflections. If time is like an endless river, what happens when we attempt to swim upstream? But let's bring it back to simpler thoughts. We often wish to travel time to change something, a mistake, a regret, a lost opportunity. I remember a time in my own life when I wished for that time machine. I had a chance to take a trip that I passed up, only to realize later how much I missed out on. For a while, I pondered what life would be like if I could just tiptoe back and say yes instead of no. Yet, would the person I became still be the same if I altered my past? Would I still appreciate the present moment, the crisp autumn leaves underfoot and the warm sun on my face, if I had never learned from past choices? These paradoxes at their heart are a reminder that life is unpredictable and beautifully complex. They teach us that while we can't change the past, we hold the power to shape our future. Every choice we make, no matter how small, is a stroke on the canvas of our lives. We are each artists of our own time, painting with the colors of our experiences and hopes. As you finish your hot chocolate and look at the quietly ticking clock, it's comforting to know that time, with all its mysteries, is something we share. It's the backdrop to our personal stories, the stages on which we play out our dreams, fears, and triumphs. So, while we may not solve all of time's riddles, we can embrace the present, cherishing each moment as it unfolds. In the end, pondering time travel paradoxes is less about untangling the impossible and more about understanding the intricate tapestry of our own lives. It's about finding peace in the knowledge that the dance of time, complex, challenging, and beautifully unfinished, is a dance we're all a part of. As we glide through our days, let's appreciate the melodies, however paradoxical, that make up the unique symphony of our existence.